Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you? Pretty good. How about you?
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Jessie. I'm Jessie.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from California. I'm from California.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 24. I'm 24.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I work in marketing. I work in marketing.
Are you in school? Are you in school?
Yeah, I'm in college. Yeah, I'm in college.
How's the weather today? How's the weather today?
It's really nice out. Sunny and warm. It's really nice out. Sunny and warm.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was chill. Just stayed home mostly. Yeah, it was chill. Just stayed home mostly.
What's up? What's up?
Not much, just hanging out. Not much, just hanging out.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 or 8 a.m. Around 7 or 8 a.m.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Absolutely, every morning. Absolutely, every morning.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I take the subway. I take the subway.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I watch Netflix or hang out with friends. I watch Netflix or hang out with friends.
Do you work out? Do you work out?
Yeah, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Yeah, I go to the gym 3 times a week.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 or midnight. Around 11 or midnight.
Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. I usually order takeout though. Sometimes. I usually order takeout though.
What's your go-to fast food? What's your go-to fast food?
I love Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A.
Are you a morning person? Are you a morning person?
Not really. I'm more of a night owl. Not really. I'm more of a night owl.
Do you make your bed every day? Do you make your bed every day?
I try to, but not always. I try to, but not always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English practice and learning videos.